The top 100 defense companies for 2024 includes 5 Turkish firms, up from 4 in 2023, amid rising global demand for Turkish defense products and increasing maturation of the Turkish defense industrial sector in terms of breadth and sophistication. Ranked Turkish companies include ASELSAN, 42, up from 47 last year, producer of defense electronics, especially communications and sensors. ASELSAN was the first Turkish company to crack the top 100 in 2008 and has consistently been the leading Turkish defense revenue generator. Turkish Aerospace Industries, TAI or TUSAS, 50, up from 58, leader in Turkish defense aerospace, joined the top 100 in 2012 and has been the second-ranked Turkish firm since. ROKETSAN, 71, up from 80, producer of unguided rockets and guided missiles, has seen revenues grow in large part due to integration of its products on Turkish unmanned systems. Machine and Chemical Industry, MKE, 84, new, producer of small arms, artillery and ammunition, shifted from a state-owned enterprise to a joint stock company in 2022. Has helped meet booming demand for artillery and related munitions. Military Factory and Shipyard Enterprise, AFSAT, 94, new, aircraft, naval and land systems production and overhaul. Major deals with Pakistan, MILGEM, Burkina Faso, Togo, minesweepers. Several intriguing aspects of this grouping stand out. First, Turkey occupies an elite tier among international arms producers. Only 8 countries have more than 2 companies in the top 100, and only 3, the US, UK and China, have more top 100 firms than Turkey.